to another video. Today we have a great deal on this miter saw and a toolkit. Ryobi, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Stan the Man for pointing this out. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Basically, we got a 15 amp 10 inch sliding compass miter saw and 18 bolt cordless in one driver drill driver, circular saw kit, and 2 batteries, a bag, a charger, and this nice miter saw. All of it for $278 from $505. Definitely a nice deal if you're planning to get like an all-in-one DIY kit just for the house. Definitely check it out. I'll leave the link down below. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.